Unipro e-commerce online store tutorial. Customer can explore the digital shopping experience at their convenient time and place with desktop and mobile devices. Customer can go to the shop page to browse the required products and choose the options. Add to the shopping cart and proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, customer need to fill in the required information and choose the payment mode to place the order. Once the order is placed, the customer receives a confirmation email notification. And store manager receives the new order as well. Store manager log into their back-end portal and view the dashboard. In the dashboard, the store manager views the new orders, stock status, and sales status. Orders are created when a customer completes the checkout process and are visible here. Each order is given a unique order ID. An order also has a status. The order status lets you know how far along the order is, starting from processing, pending, on hold, refunded, and completed. Store manager can quick view by clicking the eye icon to modify the status. The store manager can view the sales report in yearly, monthly, weekly, and customized date. Run your store wherever you are. View and manage orders. Get real-time order alerts. Track order status. View store data by week, month, and year. The store manager can upload single or bulk product images for inventory management. They can view the images in the media library. They can remove unwanted images by selecting bulk or individually. In the setting menu, the user may choose and edit which shipping option is required. In the payment methods, user can be managed and enable the payment method as the business owner needs. The email notification will be sent to the configured email. The user can manage the product's inventory. Adding new product. Input your new product name. Choose an appropriate category. Setting regular price and sale price with promotion period. You can manage stock, quantity, and set low stock level. Select the product image. To add multiple images on the same product, upload here. Key in the product short description. Then publish. Once published, the product will be added to the Ecommerce website, and it will be visible to the appropriate category. By using Excel format, the user may upload bulk products at one shot to save time. The store manager may filter the product by category to remove the products accordingly. The store manager can set the required website menu structure. By default, our website adds all the published pages to the menu automatically. However, customization of menu is possible, such as adding a link to a category, or to external site, changing the order of the menu link, or creating a submenu. Time doesn't stop for anyone. In this growing world, technology should help us save time. Thank you for watching.